and to find the top speed of the Jetbike. So yeah, let's see how it goes. As far as top speed runs go, that was a complete fail. The afterburner wouldn't stay lit beyond about 60% throttle, which I still haven't figured out because it was pretty much perfect in summer. So then the run was basically toast. I kept having to relight it. The boost hose was trying to come off and there was a little leak that we found at the end of the run. Also sort of heard and felt a funny noise through the handlebars, which didn't seem too good. So we spun it up one more time in the pit area and found that the turbo is dead. So not the best, but I'll show you the turbo. That is not supposed to happen. The compressor wheel is toast and has made a lot of contact with the housing. So yeah, that's not too good. And that was caused by oil viscosity being too high when it was 5 degrees, not enough oil getting to the turbo and the bearings overheating. So I'm going to change the oil spec and I've got a new turbo on the way to fix a Jetbike, which is about 20% bigger on wheel size in area than the one that I've got there. So it's still a Holset HX50, but it should be quite a lot more powerful than what we've been running so far. And because it'll be a new turbo, it means I can push it even harder, more boost, more temperature. So hopefully good things to come. Bit of a disappointment at the minute, but hey ho. The other good thing is that because I'll be effectively rebuilding the Jetbike, it's the ideal time to do a video on how to build a jet engine. So that will be coming. Stay tuned and thanks for watching Scott's Crazy Builds.